Absolutely, I'd be delighted to provide you with a detailed and comprehensive overview of the fascinating world of unique wooden decorative pieces for home decor. This dynamic and ever-evolving domain of the interior design industry has become a veritable playground for creative minds, offering endless opportunities for the exploration of form, function, and artistic expression through the medium of wood. At the heart of this captivating realm lies a deep appreciation for the inherent beauty and versatility of wood as a material. Transcending its traditional utilitarian applications, wood has emerged as a beloved canvas for designers, artisans, and DIY enthusiasts, who have collectively pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of home decor. From the rustic charm of reclaimed wood to the sleek sophistication of meticulously crafted contemporary pieces, the diverse tapestry of wooden decorative accents has the power to transform any living space, imbuing it with a sense of warmth, character, and timeless elegance. One of the most compelling aspects of unique wooden decorative pieces for home decor is the sheer breadth of design approaches and creative interpretations. Some designers might opt for a minimalist, pared-down aesthetic, allowing the natural grains, knots, and weathered patina of the wood to take center stage, resulting in pieces that exude a serene, understated beauty. These could range from sleek, geometric wall hangings to sculptural candlestick holders or beautifully simple vases, each one celebrating the inherent charm of the raw material. In contrast, other creators revel in the opportunity to showcase their artistic virtuosity, transforming wood into intricate, visually striking works of art. These meticulously handcrafted pieces might feature delicate carvings, intricate filigree, or even the strategic integration of other materials like glass, metal, or textiles, creating a mesmerizing interplay of textures and visual interest. Imagine, for instance, a breathtaking wooden wall sculpture that seems to dance and shimmer with the play of light, or a captivating wooden clock face that blends functionality with a mesmerizing, kinetic aesthetic. But the innovation in this field extends far beyond mere aesthetics. Designers and artisans are also constantly exploring new ways to enhance the functionality and versatility of wooden decorative pieces, seamlessly blending form and function in ways that elevate the everyday into the extraordinary. This might involve the clever integration of storage compartments, the development of modular designs that allow for easy customization, or the strategic incorporation of specialized hardware that transforms a simple wooden accent into a fully fledged, multifunctional piece of home decor. One particularly compelling trend in the world of unique wooden decorative pieces is the growing emphasis on sustainability and environmental consciousness. Driven by a desire to reduce waste and minimize their environmental impact, many designers and DIY enthusiasts have turned to the use of reclaimed, salvaged, or sustainably sourced wood as their primary medium. These pieces not only celebrate the inherent beauty and character of the repurposed material but also carry a powerful narrative of environmental stewardship, resonating with the values and sensibilities of an increasingly eco-aware consumer base. Moreover, the cultural significance and the sense of connection to the past that often imbue wooden decorative pieces have become powerful draws for homeowners seeking to imbue their living spaces with a deeper sense of meaning and authenticity. Whether it's a striking wooden wall hanging crafted from the weathered boards of a dismantled barn, or a charming wooden birdhouse that pays homage to the rich traditions of rural craftsmanship, these decorative accents have the power to evoke a sense of nostalgia, wonder, and appreciation for the enduring beauty of the natural world. As we look to the future, the potential for continued innovation and artistic exploration in the realm of unique wooden decorative pieces for home decor remains vast and enthralling. With the ongoing advancements in woodworking techniques, the incorporation of cutting-edge design principles, and the ever-evolving aesthetic sensibilities of both creators and consumers, the possibilities for this captivating niche of the interior design industry are truly limitless. Whether it's a stunning wooden mobile that dances with the gentle currents of air, a captivating wooden light fixture that casts mesmerizing patterns of light and shadow, or a versatile wooden storage unit that seamlessly blends form and function, the world of unique wooden decorative pieces for home decor is a testament to the enduring power of natural materials, the boundless creativity of designers, and the timeless allure of handcrafted artistry. One area that deserves closer examination is the seamless integration of wood with other materials, resulting in captivating hybrid pieces that push the boundaries of traditional home decor. Designers and artisans have been experimenting with the strategic pairing of wood with metals, glass, ceramics, and even textiles, creating a synergistic interplay of textures, colors, and visual interest. Imagine, for instance, a striking wooden wall sculpture that incorporates delicate glass accents, the interplay of the organic and the fragile creating a mesmerizing sense of tension and balance. Or envision a sleek, contemporary wooden side table that features a smooth, minimalist top juxtaposed with a base of hammered metal, blending industrial chic sensibilities with the warmth and natural charm of the wood. These hybrid pieces not only showcase the remarkable versatility of wood as a material but also reflect the growing desire among homeowners for decorative accents that defy easy categorization and push the boundaries of conventional design. By seamlessly integrating multiple materials, these unique wooden decorative pieces become true statements of artistic expression, infusing any living space with a sense of dynamism, sophistication, and one-of-a-kind flair. Another captivating trend within the realm of wooden home decor is the rise of modular and multifunctional designs. Designers have recognized the inherent adaptability of wood and have begun to explore innovative ways to create decorative pieces that can be easily customized, rearranged, or even transformed to suit the evolving needs and preferences of the homeowner. Imagine, for instance, a wooden bookshelf that can be reconfigured to serve as a room divider, a wine rack, or even a display for cherished collectibles, its modular design allowing it to effortlessly transition between various functions. Or envision a wooden desk that seamlessly integrates hidden storage compartments, cable management systems, and even charging stations, transforming a simple work surface into a truly versatile and functional addition to the home office. The beauty of these modular, multifunctional wooden decorative pieces lies in their ability to adapt to the ever-changing needs of the modern home, while still maintaining a strong connection to the natural warmth and timeless appeal of the material. By empowering homeowners to customize and reconfigure their decor to suit their evolving lifestyles, these innovative designs tap into the growing desire for furnishings and accents that are as adaptable as they are visually striking. But the innovation in this field extends far beyond just functionality. Designers and artisans are also pushing the boundaries of what's possible in terms of artistic expression, incorporating techniques like intricate wood carving, pyrography, wood burning, and even the strategic integration of lighting elements to create truly mesmerizing and awe-inspiring wooden decorative pieces. Imagine, for instance, a captivating wooden wall sculpture that appears to come alive with the flickering glow of embedded LED lights, casting a warm, ethereal ambience across the room. Or envision a delicately carved wooden clock face that blends form and function, its intricate design seamlessly complementing the rhythmic dance of the moving hands. These breathtaking works of art meets home decor not only elevate the inherent beauty of wood but also push the boundaries of what's possible in terms of creative expression. By seamlessly blending technical mastery, artistic vision, and a deep appreciation for the material, these unique wooden decorative pieces become bona fide works of art, imbuing any living space with a sense of wonder, sophistication, and timeless lure. As we continue to explore the vast and captivating world of unique wooden decorative pieces for home decor, it's clear that the possibilities for innovation, creativity, and artistic exploration remain endlessly inspiring. Whether you're drawn to the rustic charm of reclaimed wood, the sleek sophistication of contemporary designs, or the mesmerizing interplay of various materials, this dynamic realm of the interior design industry offers a wealth of opportunities to infuse your living spaces with a sense of warmth, character, and unparalleled visual interest.